everybody, it's your girl Nappy Natural and I am back with another video. And today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I don't know why I'm saying a little bit. We're gonna be doing something different. Everybody on Instagram, would they like to see like a hookah vlog or like a hookah tutorial? And you guys said yes, so I'm gonna give you guys a hookah tutorial. So stay tuned if you wanna see like how to do it or whatever. Just stay tuned. Find something to watch while I'm doing it. If you smoke hookah and beginner smoking, I'm gonna show you how to set it up. But if you already do smoke, then you already know what to do. So the first thing you do is you add water to your base and you fill it up like halfway, or you fill it up enough to like reach the bottom of the thing. Like this, I never tried it before, so let's see if I like it or not. Yeah, I just got this today. Oh my god, I can't even get this open anymore. Fuck. This hookah comes in a container, like, and it looks like this. And I never tried this before. This is, ooh, my favorite. Called Promised Land. So it has sweet passion fruit, grapefruit. And it's supposed to be like a tropical mix, you know? That's what it says. Open the gates to hookah heaven with the everlasting flavor of batch 7. So this is actually called batch 7. So we are going to try batch number 7. And we got a little warning here. Some people take the oil off of this, stain stuff off of it, but I don't be having time to do that. You know, I just be ready to smoke. But so it should look like this, and then you just want to make sure everything is packed down. Get some tinfoil. So I have this. Usually they have the pre-roll ones where they already got holes inside of them, so you don't have to like worry about poking holes. Now it should look like this. It should be flat like this. Okay? Okay, so after you poke your holes, it should look like this. You don't want to put too much holes, or you don't want to make the hole too big because your tobacco will burn. You can use the square ones that go on the stove. You can use these ones, the 3 Kings. Most people like to use 2 coals. I'm going to use 2 too, because the more coals you use, the more smoke you get. You take the tongue thing, take this. Once you have them on there, you let it sit for like 2 minutes, waiting for it to heat up so that we can, you know, just waiting for it to heat up. So for me, I use this. It has ice in it. A better taste when you pull the hookah. Not, it's just gonna be warm, and it's, to me, it's not gonna taste good like that. I like it when it's cool. And this is my first time tasting it, so I'm gonna give you guys like a taste test. I'll let you guys know how I like it. You don't want to waste your money on something that you don't like the taste of. One thing about buying new flavors is if you don't know the taste, then it's like you waste your money, because like, what are you gonna do? You can't return it. That's why when you buy new flavors, make sure you buy at least one other flavor that you know you like. If all the flavors, the new flavors that you bought are bad, you got your main one, you know. But I don't know why I bought this big ass jar. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna like the flavor. But anyways, we'll see. If I don't like it, someone else will, right? So you guys know what this smells like? I didn't tell you guys about the smell. It smells like bubblegum. So I'm gonna put a picture if I can find one. I don't know if it's Bubblicious gum, but they have a purple one. That's what it smells like. It smells exactly like that. So yeah, I hope it tastes like that. So yeah, it doesn't really have like, I can't really taste it. I don't know if it's because it's not hot enough. So If you don't know how to smoke and it's your first time, you just got a hookah and you're ready to smoke, this is how you do it. And also have water too when you're smoking. Don't be like me and wait to drink your water later. Drink it now, because actually let me go get my water, because if I don't have it, I'll probably get dehydrated. My water. So what you want to do is suck it. Don't smoke it like it's weed. It might get choked up. Yeah, don't do that. You'll probably have a heart attack. Just inhale it, exhale it. Inhale it, exhale it. Hold on, yeah, I gotta take these earrings. They're annoying. Honestly, you guys, I don't really like the taste. Else, I should have mixed it with the blueberry. So obviously, I'm back with the blueberry. Just give it a taste the next day, but I'm not even gonna show you guys how to set it up because we already did that. Tastes good. So it's just heating up. I just put it on. Smoke it like it comes natural, I guess. Like that sound, as crazy as that sound, that's how it is. Don't you hate when you're smoking hookah with a group of people and someone's just hogging this hookah? You just looking at them. You don't want to say pass me the hookah, but you just look at it and I'm like, yo, when you gonna pass it? When you gonna pass it? It's like a group of like 4 people, 5 people, or 6 people. You're like, when you gonna pass it? When you gonna pass it? And then there's always the person that's taking pictures while smoking. That will be me. I'm always doing that. My favorite flavors that I like to smoke is like, I like the mint, I like the blueberry, grapefruit, grape. I like bubblegum sometimes, like sometimes you get it, it tastes good. Watermelon, oh my god, that's so good. I haven't had it in a long time. You guys, if you guys want to see more hookah videos, anything else I hear related, just comment down below and let me know. And also follow me on Instagram, so you know you can see more pictures of me and how I do my hair, because I mainly do hair tutorials on Instagram and on hair on YouTube. Oh, so nice. Well, it's not really defined, and that's fine because my hair doesn't always get defined when I do it, but you know, it looks very nice. The curls, some curls are popping, some curls are not. It's whatever. I'm already used to it, you know. What else do I have to say to you guys? Yeah, that's about it. I have on this shirt, curls, kinks, waves, and braids, and rolls. Yeah, I like this shirt. Alright you guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!